can see in the beginning of the video, my fan is working all the time. I was driving in the mountains and my engine started to overheating. Then I stopped and checked what is wrong with my cooling system. I see that my fan won't start, so I suppose that problem is in the thermo switch, and I was right. Then I find some small piece of wire, take down the connector from thermo switch and directly connect the wires, so my fan is working all the time. Now I must take down the thermo switch and go to store to find another and change it. First, as a standard procedure, we must lift our ATV. After that, the liquid must go out from the radiator and the system, and after that we're gonna take out the thermo switch. So let's start. As you can see, this is how I connect. So my fan is working all the time, and here is the thermo switch that we need to change. First we must take down this plastic so we can come to the clamp and the water hose. So we need to take down this clamp and this hose and take out the liquid from the cooling system. For that we need some clean bucket to catch the liquid.
Oh. I pomoći. Pa ja ovdje napošću.
Neki ide opet. Sam ti skine, ne veze. A little mess, I spilled some liquid, but it's not a big deal because anyway liquid is about 2.5 years in the system, so I need to put another liquid because winter is coming and temperatures will go below the zero, 20, 25, depends how winter was strong. Okay, now we're gonna take out our thermo switch and we're going to the city to buy another if we find it. This is the thermostat. Inside of him are two wires and the bimetal. When the water in the radiator go to 88 degrees, the bimetal spares and connect these two wires. After that, electric power go to the fan and cooling the water. When the fan cools water to 82 degrees, the bimetal is back into the starting position and disconnect the electric, so fan stop to work. And this is all the principle of this thermo switch. I buy thermo switch, but it's not the same like old one, but we're gonna change the connection and it will be good. Now we're gonna put it in the radiator.
The new thermo switch is on place.
Because the connection is not the same, now we must take this connector and make another one to fit on new thermo switch. I put the thermo switch on the place, I connect him, now I'm gonna connect the water hose to the water pump. After that we're gonna take down the ATV and put it the liquid in the system. After that we're gonna try is it working or not. Now we must fill it up with the coolant. The radiator cap is below this plastic piece. This is a brake cleaner. We're gonna clean this and fill it with water. Okay, the radiator is full. Now we're gonna start the engine, heat it up to thermostat, open the water circuit, and then we see how much we need to add and should we need to bleed the system or not. Okay. Test does the switch turning on the fan or not. We're gonna heat up the engine and see the results. Now you're gonna see that fan is working. We're gonna give. Now you're gonna see that fan is working. You hear the sound. So everything's okay. Thermo switch is doing correctly now. Now we're gonna go in the test drive, see is there any leaking, see the level of water, and that will be it.